the news. That is, the Color Bucket is going to launch a application, an app which you will find in Play Store, and the name is the Color Bucket. This app is going to come with a lot of benefits, and these benefits are easily accessible to the teachers, the students and the parents. Through this app, we are going to create different groups with the students and the parents, and the students and parents can easily communicate or interact with the teachers. Through this app, they are going to get official notices on time, and they can also get access to various theoretical and practical courses that we are going to launch in this app. So this app is basically coming with a lot of benefits that all of you are going to know later, but I must tell you that this app is going to be a huge success and is very, very important and beneficial for all of you. So it's very important that every one of you definitely download this app, type the Color Bucket in Play Store and download this app, and through this app you are going to have a direct interaction with all the junior and senior teachers of our school. And please stay connected. Thank you.